Welcome to London, a city teeming with life and history, a metropolis that has captivated hearts for centuries. From its ancient roots to its modern skyline, London offers a tapestry of beauty, woven with iconic landmarks and vibrant cultural scenes. Over the next chapters, we will uncover 30 of the most beautiful places this city has to offer. Prepare to be amazed by architectural marvels, enchanted by verdant escapes, and inspired by the spirit of this extraordinary city. Whether you're a local or a tourist, these spots will leave you in awe. Here, on the banks of the River Thames, stands the Tower of London, a fortress that has witnessed history for almost a millennium. Its imposing walls have housed kings and prisoners, seen coronations and executions. Within its walls, the crown jewels shimmer, a dazzling display of power and majesty. Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the monarch, stands as a symbol of British tradition and pageantry. The changing of the guard ceremony unfolds with clockwork precision, drawing visitors from across the globe. The air hums with anticipation as the guards, in their iconic bearskin hats, march in formation. A treasure trove of human history and culture, the British Museum houses artifacts spanning continents and millennia. The Rosetta Stone unlocks mysteries of the past, while the Elgin marbles showcase human artistry. The British Museum, a testament to our shared human story. The Houses of Parliament, a neo-Gothic masterpiece, symbolize British democracy. Above it all, Big Ben, its chimes marking time, woven into London life. For centuries, its clock face has watched over the city, a beacon of hope. The Shard, a gleaming spire piercing the London sky, stands as a testament to modern engineering and architectural ambition. From its observation deck, the city unfolds below, revealing a breathtaking panorama of rooftops, parks, and winding streets, stretching far and wide. St. Paul's Cathedral, a Baroque masterpiece, dominates the London skyline with its majestic dome. Its whispering gallery, a marvel of acoustics, carries whispers across the vast space. Step inside, and you are enveloped in an atmosphere of serenity and awe. The stained glass windows paint the interior with vibrant hues, a testament to faith and artistry. On the south bank of the Thames, the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel, offers a unique perspective on the city. As you ascend, London spreads out before you, a tapestry of landmarks, parks, and waterways. The London Eye, a modern marvel offering a glimpse into the heart of a historic city. Trafalgar Square, a bustling hub of activity, pulsates with London's energy. Nelson's Column, a granite testament to naval victory, stands sentinel over the square. Street performers entertain, while fountains provide respite from the urban hustle. Hyde Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city, offers a welcome respite from the urban bustle. Its sprawling lawns, shaded pathways, and tranquil Serpentine Lake provide sanctuary for both wildlife and city dwellers. Hyde Park, a reminder that nature thrives amidst concrete and steel. Covent Garden, a vibrant mix of history and modernity, entices with its cobblestone streets, performers, and boutiques. The aroma of fresh flowers fills the air, a sensory delight. Covent Garden, a feast for the senses, a place to wander and discover. The Natural History Museum, with its soaring Romanesque architecture, houses a treasure trove of the natural world. The iconic Diplodocus skeleton greets visitors in the Grand Hall, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on our planet. A sanctuary of art and design, the Victoria and Albert Museum, V&A, showcases the finest examples of human creativity and innovation. The VA's collections span centuries and continents, a testament to the enduring power of human imagination, skill, and cultural diversity. Housed in a former power station on the banks of the Thames River, the Tate Modern stands as a beacon of modern and contemporary art. From Picasso to Warhol, the Tate Modern's collection offers a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of artistic expression in the 20th and 21st centuries. Kensington Palace, set within tranquil Kensington Gardens, has been home to generations of royals. Today, it is the official residence of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and their family. It reminds us that even within the heart of a bustling city, moments of quiet grace and family life endure. Westminster Abbey, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, has borne witness to centuries of British history. Within its hallowed halls, kings and queens have been crowned, monarchs laid to rest. Westminster Abbey, a place of profound historical and spiritual significance, continues to inspire awe. Greenwich, a historic borough on the Thames, is home to the Royal Observatory, the birthplace of Greenwich Mean Time. Stand astride the prime meridian line, one foot in the east, the other in the west. The Cutty Sark, a reminder of Britain's maritime heritage. Camden Market, a vibrant labyrinth of stalls and shops, pulsates with eclectic energy. The aroma of street food fills the air, a sensory overload. A place to express individuality, find hidden treasures, and experience London's alternative side. The Science Museum, a celebration of human ingenuity and innovation, sparks curiosity in visitors of all ages. From the Apollo 10 command module to Stephenson's rocket, the Science Museum inspires a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge in everyone. Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, a faithful reconstruction of the original Elizabethan playhouse, transports visitors back to the Bard's time. The open-air theatre, with wooden beams and a thatched roof, fosters an intimate connection between actors and audience, a living testament to storytelling's enduring power. Nestled in the heart of Kensington Gardens, the Serpentine Galleries offer a serene setting for contemporary art. The two galleries, connected by a bridge over the Serpentine Lake, showcase cutting-edge exhibitions from around the world, attracting art lovers globally. The National Gallery, a treasure trove of European art, houses a collection that spans from the 13th to the 19th centuries. Each brushstroke tells a story, each canvas a window into a different time and place, capturing the essence of history and culture. The Southbank Centre, a vibrant cultural complex on the south bank of the Thames, pulsates with creative energy. Theatres, galleries, and performance spaces host diverse events, from classical music to cutting-edge dance. The Southbank Centre, a place to be entertained, challenged, and inspired. The Royal Albert Hall, a Victorian masterpiece, has hosted musical legends for over a century. Its circular shape and ornate interior create an unforgettable setting for concerts, ballets, and operas. A true icon of British culture. Escape the bustle of city life at Hampstead Heath, a sprawling expanse of woodland, meadows, and serene ponds. Climb Parliament Hill for panoramic views of the London skyline, a breathtaking reminder of the city's scale and grandeur. Hampstead Heath, a breath of fresh air, a place to reconnect with nature and unwind. The Barbican Centre, a concrete behemoth in the heart of the City of London, is Europe's largest performing arts centre. From avant-garde theatre productions to world-renowned orchestras, the Barbican Centre continually pushes the boundaries of artistic expression and creativity. Step back in time at Leadenhall Market, a covered Victorian market with an ornate wrought iron frame. Its cobblestone floors and charming boutiques transport visitors to a bygone era. Leadenhall Market, a vivid reminder of London's rich commercial past and heritage. Embark on a journey through time at the Museum of London, where the city's history unfolds before your eyes. Discover the stories of ordinary Londoners, the events that shaped the city, and the challenges it has overcome. Experience the past, present, and future of London. Indulge your senses at Borough Market, a foodie paradise under Southwark Cathedral. Sample gourmet street food from around the world, or stock up on fresh produce from local farmers. A celebration of food, community, and creativity. Escape to a botanical wonderland at Kew Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore its vast glasshouses, home to plants and flowers from around the globe. Kew Gardens, a sanctuary of natural beauty, reminding us of the importance of conservation and biodiversity. Richmond Park, the largest of London's royal parks, offers a glimpse into a wilder side of the city. Herds of deer roam freely amidst ancient trees and rolling hills, a scene seemingly untouched by time. Richmond Park, a sanctuary for wildlife and a reminder of nature's enduring power and beauty. As our journey through the beautiful places of London comes to a close, we hope you've been inspired to explore this multifaceted city. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, London offers something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to its history, culture, or natural beauty, London is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for joining us on this tour of London's most beautiful places. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips.